Hello and welcome back to you. This is Lakshmi Kantiwari. In this lesson, we are going to create a DSP CMSIS library for the Tiva C series microcontroller. The CMSIS library is very useful for creating a C project. The CMSIS project can be used across all Cortex-M microcontroller and it is compatible to all Cortex-M microcontroller with the 100% code portability. The CMSIS stands for the Cortex Microcontroller Software Interface Standard. So before doing anything, you have to copy these two files. The downloadable link is given into the video description. Please find the link and download these two files. This is the CMSIS 4.2 file and this file is provided by the Texas Instrument. Okay, this is the CMSIS. You can see the inside this file. This is have a CMSIS and the CMSIS real-time operating system and some device files. And this file is provided by the Texas Instrument. It has the DSP-lib and the source transform function, this bit reversal, and another one have 4.h files. Okay, so before doing anything, you have to copy this CMSIS file into the C directory. This is the CMSIS file, copy it. Okay, and you can copy other file. This is the CMSIS DSP library source and the transform function. Copy this one into the CMSIS and then DSP library, then source into the transform function and the paste here. Where is the paste option? I copied it. Just go back. Sorry, one more time and copy it. Come back here and then paste here. Control V. If it asks about the overwrite, please overwrite it. Okay, then go back again and copy this include file, copy it and then come to the C and then again CMSIS, then DSP-lib, then include and then paste here. Okay, if it asks about overwrite, please overwrite all files. Fine. And then go to the CCS version 6 into the project and then new project. Okay, just wait for a second and select the processor name TM4C123 the 123 and this is the 123 BE6. Okay, you can choose your own according to your board and then establish insert kit debug interface and give the project name DSP underscore TM4C okay 123 and this is the BE. Fine, then select the TI version 5.1.9 and then empty project and then in advanced setting select the static library and then click on the finish. Okay, this is our DSP file. Then click on then right click and go to into the import and then import, then select the general and then file system, then next browse to the directory of the source file for the CMSIS. Okay, this is the computer and see CMSIS DSP library and then source. Select everything but deselect ARM and the GCC and into the transform function. This is the ARM bit reversal .s file. Okay, and then advanced option, then click, then click on the creates links into the workspace, then click on the finish, then wait for a second, then right click on the project, go to into the properties and the verify processor option. Okay, everything is fine. Into the optimization, select the second level of optimization. Into the include option, include the CMSIS include file. Okay, this is the include, then click on the OK, and into the advanced setting click on the language option and then enable support for GCC extension, and into the predefined symbol select these two predefined symbols, and those symbol is ARM Cortex Maths. Okay, paste it here, and another one is FU present on this board, so copy it and paste it here. Okay, and into the diagnostic option deselect this one. Into the runtime model place each function in a separate subsection on, and then advanced optimization leave as it is, and into the library function assumptions leave as it is. Into the assembler option click on the use unified assembly language. Okay, and into the ARM archiver nothing to do here, and also into the debug nothing to do here, then click on the OK. Now we can build our library and see what it will do. There is error, no rule to make the target. Okay, let's see what will happen. You can see there is lots of error. Just wait, then we have to change something into the project, and the change is this one. The change is we have to change the line number 53 into the linkage.h. So click on this file and then cancel it, and then include option, and into the second include option, and here it is a linkage.h. the find linkage.h, this is the linkage.h, and go to the line number 53. So the line number 53 is this one. Okay, this is we have to change it. Okay, and the changes, this one has defined underscore inline and the inline. Copy this one and paste it here, and comment the upper lines. Okay, fine. Now save it and then again build one more time, and let's see what will happen here. Now right click and build the project. So let's wait what will happen here. Now it is look like everything is going fine. Let's wait for the completion. Now here you can see this is the 0 error and the 3 warning. That means there is no error, and these are the normal warning. You can ignore these warnings. Okay, so let's see where our library functions has been created. Go to the documents and the CC version 6, and it was the DSP TM4C123VE. Into the debug you can see here this is the .lib file has been created. Okay, this is the PSpice model library. This is the DSP TM4C123BE, And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. In the next tute we are going to create a CMSIS project by using this DSP library. Thank you.